Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing a hair product, namely the Vatika Olive Strengthening Shampoo for dull and weak hair. So I bought this in a supermarket about $4. So my friend is going to test out this product for a month and see if it can change her dull and weak hair into strong and shiny one. So basically she washes her hair about 2 times a week and she does not do any additional step other than shampooing her hair. So on the front of the bottle it is written Spanish Olive Vatica Natural Strengthening Shampoo with natural extracts, black and strong hair for dull and weak hair. It is a 200 ml bottle. At the back of the bottle it is written Discover the true herbal solution for natural black shine and strong hair with Vatika Black Olive Shampoo made with the finest Mediterranean black olives. Gives your hair a youthful shine and make them extra strong. Black olive give hair a youthful shine and makes them extra strong. Then we have 3 pictures. One is a dull and weak hair, and then you have Vatika deeply nourishes, and then you have a revitalized black and strong hair. Directions for use: massage gently into wet hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly, repeat if necessary. The ingredients are aqua, sodium laurate sulfate, and so on. Now it is for external use only. It is manufactured by Natural LLC, Al Jazeera, etc. And it is imported in Australia by India Foods. So when you open the product, it is black in color and it smells really good. So the product is, as you can see on the video, it's black, and when it gets into contact with water it turns into a normal white foam, and it is very easy to apply. I personally tried it. So it glides on very easily on your hair. It foams really quickly. You need only 2 dollars of the shampoo. First impression that she had on her hair and even on mine was that this made her hair softer and smoother. There was no shine. It was not like, oh, suddenly her hair is so strong. It has not only made her hair soft and smoother, but it also gave it a little bit of shine. But most importantly, it did make her hair stronger. Her hair is brittle, so it breaks easily when she brushes it. When she brushes her hair, you can see a lot of hair coming out. But after using this product, there was absolutely no hair on the brush, very little hair. So for me and for my friend, this product is a definite yes. It does what it claims to do. So if you have dull hair and think that your hair is weak and brittle, this product is made for you. Go ahead and buy it. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next, take care.